Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a deck review of the Crystal Grid Oracle cards by Ashley Levy. This deck was gifted to me in a box that was gifted to me from a lovely friend from that I've met through this channel, and they're very, very neat. So let's check them out. I don't have any other deck like this. I do have the crystal cards by Colette Baron Reid, but this is really more like kind of a ritual deck. So they're little, they're about playing card size. I like the backs, they're really pretty. So basically it walks you through crystal grids. It's kind of educational, or if you were going to do like one of those spell cards decks, I have a couple. We'll get to those when I get to doing deck reviews on them, but they're really full of information and ideas of ways that you can practice. So this is just literally a whole bunch of different examples of crystal grids that you could do, labeled with the different stones so that you can attract what it says. So abundance, you would have your red jasper, your red pyrope garnet, and you were trying to attract, so you would go clockwise. Or if you were trying to banish, not for abundance, hopefully not, you would go Widdershins, or yeah, Widdershins, Deosil, Widdershin. And then you have the red calcite, and then you have the clear quartz, and the green aventurine, and then the pyrite. So that's how you would use it. These are, there we go. Acceptance, always, angel, awareness, balance, beauty, believe, blessed, blessing, clarity, confidence, connection, courage, creativity, desire, destiny, discover, dream, earth, embrace, energy, enjoy, faith, forever, forgiveness, freedom, give, grace, happiness, harmony, hope, inspiration, joy, kindness, light, love, loyalty, magic, namaste, romance, serenity, spirit, strength, success, tranquility, vision, and wealth. So very neat, totally different than basically any other deck that I have. Nice ideas and kind of inspiring. So very cool. Yeah, I think they were all done on the same board, which is totally fine. Although I have read that you can use like different types of sacred geometry, like what Metatron's cube, or you know, the seed of life, or the flower. God, is it the flower of life or the flower universe? I'm not sure. But that's how you could use it. So thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Good night.